Hi guys. So today, hi guys, hi. I'm gonna show you how to create a loot bag without a cutting machine or pre-cut or the cameo to cut this. So I have tried making some bags yesterday using my cameo for some baby shark theme bag. So now the only thing that you need is something that you can use to make a line and to have our cardstock easier to fold. Of course, cardstock, pen. Where's my pen? Ito. Wait. Okay, pen and a baby. Okay, first we're gonna add the most important. Where is it? Ruler. We need a ruler. Okay, pink ruler. Okay, first is, so my cardstock is, I think this is a letter size 8.5 by 11. So the biggest size we can make out of this is 4 by 1.5 by 1.5. No. So first mark the edges. So we're gonna measure 4, then mark, then another 4, and then 1.5. So to make it, to have this crease here, we're gonna mark it 0.75. So 4, then 0.75, then 0.75, then another 4, then 0.75, then 0.75. Then we're gonna measure 7 across, 7 inches. So after 7 inches, mark again. Then do the same thing. So just mark the other edge again with 7. Then draw a line. Wait, Ellie, no. Baby shark, toot 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 toot, baby shark, toot toot toot, baby shark. So first I'm gonna mark this first. Four 0.75, 0.75, and I will go 1, 2, 3. Ellie! 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 point. $75. Okay. Then 7 across. Then another 7 across.
Right.
Then make a crease. So just find an object that can make a crease. So you may use pen, but to make it cleaner, just use a sharper edge. Not as sharp as a knife. You don't want to cut the paper. A stick will do. A pen that have no ink will do. Scissors, edge of the scissors. So I'll just so 4.75, and 0.75. Then another 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay, sulat eh. 0.75. Okay. So I'm done marking. I will create the creases now. So baru Elia exchange. Wait. So this is my daily life with a baby. Crafting with a baby is a bit hard. Okay, just give me 10 seconds, Ellie. Okay, he's mad now. Okay, let's make this faster because the baby is not happy. Oh my goodness. Okay, after creasing, so I hope you can see it. I'm sorry, I'm just using my phone. Okay, back to mama. Okay, then in the middle, the part here, you want to fold it slant this part. Wait, I'm gonna show you what I mean. So this part, want to fold this like this. So we're gonna create creases, slanting creases. So this is 1 inch, 1 inch across, and you want to extend it here. Ellie, borrow. Oh no, it's not 1, it's 0.75. So mark 0.75 in the middle. middle and 0.75 on the other side. Then make a crease across. So I'm gonna draw it to make it more clear. So you may want to do it across like this. This is really easy to do, but I'm just taking my time because Ellie's with me. So this is what I'm talking about. So just use your ruler to make this triangle. And put it like that. Just make it cross this angle here and on the other side. Ellie! And we're gonna crease. You can crease it immediately. No. Do the same on the other side. Oh.